Wash over me, droplets of love wanna submerge in your waterfall. Simplicity, but far from simple, deep as the ocean.
When I knew, it was love at first sight. I just knew. I had a gut feeling and everything felt right, you know? The feeling is like feeling free, protected, comfortable in your own skin.
You got it like that.
My first time, it was on the basketball court. It was the right time, right place. We were just meant to be.
The same old tune, I like what it do.
We would dance together. I needed that support when I started dancing professionally, just as I needed it during basketball games, training. Always there for me. I guess our relationship lasted so long because we adapted to each other as we grew. We got stronger, we changed sizes, and as we got into the creative industry, we would be presentable together. Fashion has its seasons. I guess we seasoned well together. The foundation to any relationship is important. Love, trust. You have to stand for something. You have to believe in each other. You can create change. It may feel like a love story, but this is my reality. I literally just gave birth to my box fresh Nike. Thank you for listening to my love story. My name is TAZLIMA Khan. I am a guest designer at Nike and I'm presenting to you Change Make Air.